10 everyday things you're wasting money on. Money doesn't grow on trees, but somehow it feels like it vanishes into thin air, right? Here's the truth. Most of us are spending money on things we don't actually need, and it's draining our wallets without us even noticing. Imagine how much you could save if you just stopped paying for stuff that's not worth it. In today's video, we're diving into 10 everyday things you should really stop paying for. Some of these might surprise you, and a few might even make you rethink your daily routine. Before we start, let me ask you this. What's one thing you've paid for recently that you kind of regret? Drop it in the comments below. Let's share some laughs and learn from each other. All right, let's get into it. Number 1. Convenience fees. From ticketing websites to utility payments, convenience fees are sneaky charges that often go unnoticed. These fees may seem small, $2 here, $5 there, but they add up quickly. Why should you pay extra just for paying online or accessing a service you already bought? Solution: avoid convenience fees by planning ahead. Buy tickets in person when possible. Set up automatic bill payments, or use payment platforms that don't charge extra. Number 2. Lottery tickets. The odds of winning the lottery are astronomically low, yet millions of people spend money on tickets every week. Think about it. You're essentially throwing money away for a dream that's statistically unlikely to come true, and it's a habit that can cost you hundreds or even thousands a year. Solution: instead of gambling, put that money into a savings account or invest it. Over time, you'll actually build wealth rather than chasing an improbable jackpot. Number 3. Greeting cards. Spending $5 to $10 on a greeting card might not seem like much, but over the course of a year, it can add up, especially around holidays. Let's face it, most greeting cards end up in the trash within days. Why spend so much on something so temporary? Solution: make your own cards, go digital, or skip the card altogether and focus on a heartfelt message. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Number 4. Designer home decor. High-end home decor items can cost a fortune, but they're often no better in quality than budget-friendly options. Why pay $200 for a lamp when you can find a similar one for $50? Designer items might look nice, but they're rarely worth the price tag. Solution: shop at discount stores, thrift shops, or DIY your decor. You can create a beautiful home without breaking the bank. Number 5. Bank fees. Monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, ATM fees, they all add up. The average person spends around $300 a year on bank fees alone. Why are you paying your bank to hold your money? That's like paying rent for your wallet. Solution: switch to a no-fee bank or credit union. Many offer free checking and savings accounts, so you can keep more of your hard-earned cash. Number 6. Cable TV. Cable packages can cost upwards of $100 a month, and let's be honest, how many of those channels do you actually watch? You're paying for content you don't even use, while streaming services offer way more for way less. Solution: cut the cord and switch to streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, or free alternatives like YouTube. You'll save hundreds a year and still have plenty to watch. Number 7. Overpriced phone plans. The average phone plan costs over $80 a month, but do you really need unlimited everything? Most people don't even come close to using their data or minutes. Meanwhile, smaller carriers offer the same services at half the cost. Solution: look into prepaid plans or low-cost providers like Mint Mobile or Google Fi. You could save up to $600 a year without sacrificing quality. Number 8. Fast fashion. It's tempting to buy trendy, cheap clothes, but fast fashion is designed to fall apart quickly, so you end up spending more in the long run. Not only is it bad for your wallet, but it's also harmful to the environment. Those deals aren't as good as they seem. Solution: Invest in timeless, high-quality pieces that last. Shop secondhand or embrace a capsule wardrobe. Your future self will thank you. Number 9. Name brand groceries. Brand name products are often marked up for no reason, even though they're nearly identical to store brands. You're paying extra for a logo and nothing else. Solution: switch to generic brands. Most of the time, you won't notice a difference, but your wallet definitely will. Number 10. Single-use cleaning products. Disposable wipes, paper towels, and single-use cleaning sprays seem convenient, but they're a money pit. You're literally throwing your money away every time you clean. Plus, those products aren't great for the environment. Solution: switch to reusable cleaning cloths and DIY cleaning solutions. They're cheaper, better for the planet, and just as effective. Think about this. If you cut out just half of these expenses, you could save thousands of dollars every year. That's money you could invest, put toward debt, or use for something you truly value. So, which of these expenses are you cutting out first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs to save money. Together, we can make smarter financial choices and live better lives. Remember, saving money isn't about deprivation. It's about making intentional choices. When you stop paying for what you don't need, you create room for what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.